everyone, I'm Joshua Clement with Lighty Contractors, and today I want to talk to you about how to install a ceiling fan with light with two different switches. For this job, you're going to need a couple different things. You will need a drill with a Phillips tip bit, a pair of wire strippers, wire nuts, a razor blade, and electrical tape. Here we have a standard ceiling fan. Here's your mounting bracket that mounts up to the box, your fan motor. Your light connects down here, and inside are the wires to hook that up with. What you'll have is a wire running out of the box for the ceiling fan. Here I have a 14-3 wire. That means that there's 3 different wires in there that have a protective coating and 1 copper wire. What I've done is I have hooked the motor to the fan up to my black wire, the light to the fan fixture, that is the blue wire, up to my red wire, and then my neutral, which is the white wire, up to the white wire, and the green, which is your ground, to the copper wire. You'll run that over to your switch box. And here we have 2 different switches in our box. And as you can see here, it's the same wire going from the fan to the box. What I've done is I've hooked up my neutral wire to the hot wire coming in from the electrical box, which is just a standard 12-2 wire, which means it has 1 black wire, 1 white wire, and a copper wire. So I've hooked up my 2 neutrals together, not touching them to my switches. Here I have put pigtails on my ground wires. What that means is I've hooked up 2 ground wires to my switches, run it over and wire nutted the one that's running to the fan and the one running from the box all together. Then I've taken pigtails and run it from my switch here and my switch here to the hot coming in. That means it's coming from the box, your electrical box, into your switch box, being split off into 2 different parts. One's running to this switch, the other's running to this switch. So here I have the red one coming in to this switch, which is a dimmer switch, for my light. And all you do is you put it around the copper screw and tighten it up so your power comes in, goes through the switch, out here, and to your light. And for your fan, you have the power coming in here, through here, and out the black wire that runs to your fan. And that's all there is to it. I'm Joshua Clement with Lighty Contractors, and we just talked about how to wire up a ceiling fan with a light on 2 different switches. Thanks for watching. Good luck with this project.